Hi, I'm Dr. Joseph Jacobs. If you wake up every morning and do this one common habit, you could be unknowingly damaging your metabolism, energy levels, and even your mood. Let's fix that starting today. Number one, starting with sugar. Many people either rush out the door with no food or grab something sweet like cereal, juice, or a flavored coffee. This causes your blood sugar to spike, then crash, leaving you tired, irritable, and craving more sugar by mid-morning. Studies show that starting the day with high sugar is linked to insulin resistance and inflammation. Number two, checking your phone immediately. It might feel harmless, but going straight to social media or emails puts your brain into a stress state before your feet hit the floor. Research shows that starting the day with digital stimulation raises cortisol and anxiety levels throughout the day. Number three, drinking coffee on an empty stomach. Coffee alone increases stomach acid and stress hormones, especially if your body hasn't had any real nutrients yet. Over time, this can affect digestion, hormone balance, and energy. You don't have to give up coffee, just eat something first. So what should you do instead? Start your day with hydration. Add lemon or a pinch of sea salt to water. Fuel up with protein and healthy fats like eggs, avocado, or a green smoothie. And give yourself 20 minutes before touching your phone. Your brain and hormones will thank you. In my book Eat to Heal, I explain exactly how to create a healing morning routine along with the Esther diet, a doctor-designed anti-inflammatory nutrition plan that supports energy, clarity, and natural healing. I'm also offering a free health coach consultation to help you apply these principles to your life. You'll get personalized guidance on how to reset your body and start your day the right way. Click the link below to grab your copy of Eat to Heal and claim your free consultation now.